This no fuss, creamy tomato and chicken pasta is ready in just about 30 minutes. Perfect for me to prepare during the week so I can eat well every day. Check out the numbers, link down below with all the ingredients, and let's get started. So I'm starting with a chicken breast. I'm gonna season that with some salt, some pepper, and then I'm gonna heat up this pan here, and I'm using my garlic infused olive oil, which I uploaded not that long ago. So check it out, how to make garlic infused oil at home, or get your favorite oil. Add that chicken right in there, and make sure that that pan is on medium high kind of setting, because we want to give that chicken a really good sear. As it's searing, you can season the other side with salt and pepper, and eventually just take a peek. The chicken should just release. You'll get that nice golden brown color. Now we lower the heat so we can finish cooking the chicken to about 80-90% of the way. And then once you have a color that looks great, just like this on each side, set that aside, add some more oil if you have to, sun-dried tomatoes and red pepper flakes to your taste. We want to roast that up a bit to get the intense flavors unlocked, and then add in your Italian crushed tomatoes. These are great. I just love the chunkiness of the crushed tomatoes, but I'm going to be adding some passata later on as well for some body. Make sure constantly you're tasting and seasoning. And if you find that you personally love a more heavy bodied tomato sauce, add that smooth passata in there as well, just for the tomato lovers out there. Give that a mix, taste again, and once it's thickened a bit, start adding in your cream cheese, and you can tell now the dish is basically at the end. So you want to break that up. That's why I scooped it so it's in smaller chunks, and eventually mix it all into a sauce that looks like this. And now you can add in your chicken, and doesn't matter if it's a bit pink still, because we're gonna finish cooking it in here so the sauce can have all that chicken flavor as well. And this looks like butter chicken more than a sauce or a pasta, but trust me, this is gonna work with the pasta and not with butter chicken, because it's nowhere near the same flavor profile. After you let that simmer for 5 or so minutes, you can add in your cooked pasta. I'm using rotini here. It's perfect to really wrap up all that thick tomato creamy sauce into the spirals, and just mix that all up. And once you have this ready, just give it another taste. This is basically the last stage where it's easy to season and adjust. Then add in your spinach, and we'll start mixing it up. The residual heat should be just enough to really wilt it up. You can turn off the heat and start adding in your Parmesan cheese. Use a microplane for just the best creamy texture, and you won't get that from a regular cheese grater. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to see how to make great restaurant style meals at home efficiently. And if you enjoyed this creamy tomato chicken pasta, you're gonna love my pink sauce chicken penne pasta with mushrooms. See y'all.